The workers sing of their labor. Throughout history, the ancestors of Jiangnan stepped on the soil, sang with joy, accompanied by the rhythm of fieldwork, singing earthy, fragrant folk songs filled with simple emotions and collective wisdom.
您好，你们唱的是什么歌？
我们唱的是江苏民歌《少伯央号子》。央号子呢，主要是一人唱众人和的形式。
In Jiangnan, the plum rain is a unique climatic feature. When the plum rain clears, the joyful and smooth fieldwork carries the people's hopes for peace and a bountiful harvest. The joy of rain clearing is best expressed by the melodious and crisp sound of the bamboo flute.
我在这个地方记得，对，那么但是
People thrive on diligence, and with diligence, there is no want. From hunting and gathering to fishing, wood cutting, farming and weaving. From the ancient Huaxia people to the people of Jiangnan, all embody a love for life, tirelessly pursuing the beauty of labor and struggle.